Today we're back at my sister Jo's house.
We're going to tackle our other nephew Charlie's bedroom using the Taubman's EASYCOAT products once again, so stay tuned for the reveal.
We've done our prep work and now we're getting stuck straight into painting. For 3 of the walls, we are using the EASYCOAT All Walls in Moss Blue. We don't have to undercoat because the walls are already painted and the coverage of EASYCOAT is amazing. If we were being lazy, we could actually get away with just 1 coat. We are using the EASYCOAT Doors and Trims, also in Moss Blue, to give these dated wardrobe doors a bit of a facelift. We are doing a 2-tone feature wall for behind the bed, and this is achieved by marking out a straight line and using a good quality tape to create that crisp line. The bottom half of the wall is this gorgeous colour called Sitka.
Are y'all ready for this?
Wow! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh, the books go here too. Oh dear.
The great thing about the EASYCOAT walls is how quickly it dries, so we were able to complete this makeover in 1 weekend and Charlie could move straight back in.